G'day. That's Australian for hello, how you going and all that. Just starting to load up the first rock on this job. There's 16 holes in there. All the holes are 1100 deep, 700mm burden and space, so they yield about half a cubic metre each hole. Just done a throw out, set all the materials on top at each hole just so you can see what goes in each hole. People want to know that apparently. Everyone keeps asking. So there's a detonator and half a plug of 25mm emulsion, and the white bucket there of course has got ANFO in it. I think I probably should go over the writing on that, it's worn off. Yeah, so that's what we do. It's quite a rocky site, this one. These are just some of the rocks that have been dug out. He's taken 3 loads away, 3 loads in that big chip already this morning. So she's a very rocky site, this one. I might do a bit of a time lapse for you of me loading this up. That's what I'll do. Cheers. Okay, it's all loaded and connected up. We've got a 17 millisecond control row, which is the yellow clips, and of course that's along the vertical face there. 42 millisecond echelon clips, and it crosses over and goes to this rock here. Much the same sort of arrangement. The idea of using a mix of 17s and 42s is you don't get timing collisions, that is holes that fire closer than 9 milliseconds. Unless you go about 6 or 7 rows deep or something, then it starts getting a bit complicated. We've got some witness tubes on as well that lets us know that, you know, that it's worked. In case it doesn't work, you know where it's worked up to. Alright, we're going to cover this up now and make a bang. Shot number 1. Starting to cover shot 2, 16 holes, over 4 rocks. 25 milliseconds between each hole. And that'll do us for the day, I think. Shot 2, 16 holes. shot to 16 holes. Good morning, Saturday morning. Got Kev helping again this morning. We're on a Saturday because the excavator had a blow up on Thursday. We lost Friday while that was getting fixed. We've got the big rock loaded. There's 43 holes, 200 grams in each hole. They're all about 1320 mil deep, except for a few on the edge that are a bit shorter. And we're just about to cover it and send it to meet its maker. 43 hole shot. We're getting ready to cover shot 2 for the day. Starts under this mound of dirt here. Goes through that little shock tube there to this bunch of rocks over here. It's also 43 holes. Ready? came, we saw, and we destroyed. There's not much you can't do with small diameter holes. There you go.